Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 best dash cam of 2024. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading dash cam that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Kingslim D4 Pro Dash Cam Front and Rear. This dual-channel car dashcam is perfect for those who want to keep an eye on their driving and capture any incidents that may occur on the road. The Kingslim D4 Pro Dash Cam Front and Rear is equipped with a rotatable front camera lens that supports a maximum rotation of 270 degrees. The camera also features dual recording mode, front plus rear or inside plus rear. The D4 Pro Dash Cam adopts a Sony StarVis sensor and upgraded 2K rear camera. It has two resolution modes, 4K 2160p plus 2K 1440p. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS make it easy to connect the D4 Pro car camera with the Kingslim app. You can play back and download videos without taking out the SD card and adjust the settings directly via phone app. Work with Android and iOS devices. Equipped with a Sony image sensor, 6-layer glass lenses, HDR on front camera and WDR on rear camera, this dashboard recorder achieves super night vision even in low-light environment. In conclusion, overall, the Kingslim D4 Pro Dash Cam Front and Rear is a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their car safe and secure. With its compact design and advanced features, this dash cam is definitely worth considering. Number 4. The Rexing V1P 4K Dual-Channel Dash Cam. This dash cam is perfect for those who want to keep an eye on their driving and capture any incidents that may occur on the road. The Rexing V1P 4K Dual-Channel Dash Cam is equipped with a 170-degree ultra-wide-angle lens that records 4K video in the front and 1080p video in the rear. The camera also features enhanced night vision, which allows it to perform well in low-light situations. The dashcam uses a supercapacitor that can withstand extreme temperatures from -20 to 176 degrees Fahrenheit, which prevents the risk of overheating and extends the lifespan and reliability of the camera. The parking monitor feature, the dash camera will automatically turn on and record when the car camera detects vibration or capture frames for a time-lapse video 24/7. In conclusion, overall, the Rexing V1P 4K Dual-Channel Dash Cam is a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their car safe and secure. With its compact design and advanced features, this dash cam is definitely worth considering. Number 3. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 with Play Hardest Cleaning Cloth Bundle. This car key-sized dash camera is perfect for those who want to keep an eye on their driving and capture any incidents that may occur on the road. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is equipped with a wide 140-degree lens that records 1080p video with Garmin Clarity HDR optics for crisp detail day and night. The camera automatically records and saves video of incidents, which can be accessed later via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault. The parking guard feature monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts if an incident is detected. The voice control feature lets you use spoken commands to save video, start-stop audio recording, take still pictures and more. You can also access the camera remotely for live view monitoring when you're away from your parked car. In conclusion, overall, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 with Play Hardest Cleaning Cloth Bundle is a great investment for anyone who wants to keep their car safe and secure. With its compact design and advanced features, this dash cam is definitely worth considering. Number 2. The WOLFBOX G930 4K 10-inch rear view mirror camera and dash cam bundle. This bundle is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality dash cam that comes with a memory card. The bundle includes the WOLFBOX G930 4K 10-inch rear-view mirror camera and the GPS receiver. The Dashcam can display the recorded picture in real time, expanding the visual range and effectively eliminating blind spots in the field of vision. GPS tracking always on. After the GPS receiver is plugged into the Dashcam mirror, you can view live speed and direction on the screen. The Dashcam provides continuous and secure recording monitoring while you are away. The Dashcam records in a loop every 1-3 minutes until the oldest videos are overwritten by new ones. The G sensor automatically detects collisions and locks the current video, allowing you to find valid evidence within the locked video. In conclusion, the WOLFBOX G930 4K 10-inch rear-view mirror camera and Dashcam bundle is a great investment for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality dashcam. The bundle comes with a free 64GB card and is backed by full 1-year warranty. Number 1. The ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam and 128GB micro SD card bundle. This bundle is perfect for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality dash cam that comes with a memory card. The ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam is a powerful, compact, and reliable 4K card dash camera. It comes with a 128GB micro SD card, which is perfect for storing all your footage. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. The ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam is a powerful, compact, and beautiful software 4K card dash camera. It is designed to capture high-quality footage of your driving experience. In conclusion, the ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam and 128GB micro SD card bundle is a great investment for anyone looking for a reliable and high-quality dash cam. With its powerful features and reliable operation, this bundle is sure to provide you with peace of mind while driving. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.